So they're going to give you some numerical values, and you're going to get the equations to a certain point, and then you'll be able to plug those in, punch them in your calculator, hit the equal sign, and it'll spit out a number for you. Okay, so here's how it'll start. It'll say something like, if log base 10 of 2 is 0.30, and log base 10 of 3 is equal to 0.48, then you're going to find a couple different things. And I'm going to break it down into 3 examples. So example number 7 is going to be log base 10 of 18. Okay? So notice the 2 logs up in the if part are both log base 10. So that part's good. But we don't have an 18 up there. We have a 2 and a 3. So the first thing we need to do is figure out a way to write 18 with 2's and 3's. How can we write 18 with 2's and 3's? 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, right? Okay, so like, how about 2 times 3 squared? Yeah? Everybody see how it's 2 times 3 squared? Okay, so we're going to rewrite this log base 10 of 18 as the log base 10 of 2 plus log base 10 of 3 squared. Whoa. So cool, right? So we're going to take this exponent, move it out front, and this is going to become log base 10 of 2 plus 2 times log base 10 of 3. And now all we have to do is substitute the values, because now we're ready. So look at the values up top. Log base 10 of 2 is what? 0.30 plus 2 times log base 10 of 3 is what? 0.48. So then you take your calculator and you type in, well, I would multiply 2 times 0.48 first, then add the 0.30, and you should get what? Calculator. 1.26. Okay? So you guys need to try that on your calculator. Make sure you get that. Example number 8. We're going to try log base 10 of 20 over 3. The 3 we have up here, right? So that's good. But how about the 20? Do we have a way to rewrite 20? How about 2 times 10 over 3? Okay? Now all of a sudden, we have a 10 in there. What happens if you take log base 10 of 10? What's the answer? It's 1, right? Of 10 is 1. Why? Because of what we learned yesterday. 10 to the first power is what? 10. Okay? So that's just part of yesterday's lesson of going back and forth between exponential form and log form. Okay? So look in yesterday's notes or re-watch the YouTube video and see how to get that. Okay? So we're going to take this log base 10 of 20 over 3 and expand it, right? So it's going to be log base 10 of 2 plus log base 10 of 10 minus log base 10 of 3. Okay? So the log base 10 of 10 is the one that we said is just 1, right? The log base 10 of 2, we get the value from up at top. It's 0.30 plus the 1 minus the log base 10 of 3. The value's up here. It's 0.48. Type it in your calculator and make sure you do order of operations. You should get 0.82. Let's try one more like that, and then we'll let you have a try at it. So example number 9, we're going to do log base 10 of 1 over the third root of 2. So just slightly more complicated. Let me move it up a little bit. Slightly. Just slightly.
Just a little bit.
Okay. So the first thing is I'm going to rewrite this denominator with a power. So I'm going to say log base 10 of 1 over, and then we're going to have the 2 to the what power? Not third, to the 1/3. Because we're taking the third root. Okay? But I'm going to move it up to the numerator, which is going to make the exponent what? -1/3. So this is log base 10 of 2 to the -1/3.
I thought you could have negative exponents in the numerator.
You can't leave it like that. We're not done. But, yeah. We're not done. Okay. So we want to take that exponent, move it out front. Just like the coefficient, make it -1/3 times log base 10 of 2. Now we can substitute, because log base 10 of 2 is up at the top. So we've got -1/3 times, what is it, 0.30? Punch it in the calculator. You get 0.10.